Okay, here we go. Today I decided I wanted to start a new like YouTube channel, TikTok channel, whatever channel, Facebook. I don't really care where it goes, but what I wanted to do was test AI and how useful it is, like just literally in your everyday life around your house. So I've got a lot of ideas of things I'm going to test AI to do, see how it works out. But first thing I'm going to use AI for is to generate a logo for whatever platform I post these videos on. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. Make a logo using artificial intelligence. So I'm using Google and I just typed in AI logo generator. Lots of results came up. Some of these I've heard of, and some of them I haven't heard of. So the first, I'm skipping the sponsored results just because. The first one I've heard of is called Logo AI, and it's right here. And I know that one charges you for the logo, and I'm not like trying to make a big huge business here. I'm just trying to be entertained and entertain other people, and I find testing AI is entertaining, so I'm not going to pay for anything. So I'm going to skip that one. I don't know anything about Luca, but it does say it's absolutely free of charge, so let's give that a shot. Artificial intelligence logo design, that's what I'm looking for. Company name is somebody has on caps lock. Trying AI. I don't know what my industry would be. Let's go with entertainment industry. Okay, so if we're going to be artificial intelligence, it's futuristic. So whatever it is that I'm going to choose has to have, futuristic design to it for inspo. But none of these come across as futuristic. So I'm going to skip. Colors. Fun fact, colorblind. Grayscale. I don't know what's going on here with the text over the text, but it sounds like this AI could already be better. You can't read that because the website's busted. Skip something. Okay, let's go with fun and innovation, right? That's AI. Okay, guess I don't change anything else here. Let's see what they made. Okay, I like the second one. The first one, no. This one, the best and worst. I'm not sure what to think of the hexagon there, but I like the simplicity of it. What do you think? Bad decision. So this is cool. They preview it like on your phone and on business cards and stuff. Seeing it like that, which is how it would never be displayed for me, but seeing it like that changed my mind. A lot of these are the same couple of elements displayed in a different way. Like if this was real artificial intelligence, I would ask it a question. What does a mushroom have to do with artificial intelligence? Why would you recommend a mushroom as a logo? And, in my experience with artificial intelligence, that's what a lot of people say is artificial intelligence, but it's really missing the intelligent part. what artificial intelligence tends to do in its current state today in 2023 is it tends to scrape the internet and say this is the next most logical thing that would come in response to what the person asked for. That is not actual intelligence. That's more like having a memory or the ability to, I don't know, go back old school to read an encyclopedia. It's possible that what's in that encyclopedia is wrong. It's possible that what is scoured from the internet is wrong, and what a human can do is read multiple sources and usually decipher truth from untruth. The AI reads those and says which one is the most likely to be the next word or the next phrase or the next fill in the blank, and then it projects that to the person interacting with the AI, and as a result it says a lot of things that aren't logical, that don't make sense, because it's predicting the next thing instead of using intelligence to come up with the correct answer. Yeah, see, this looks pretty cool. I dig this. All right, so I'm gonna look at one of the other ones. I say this guy. Trying. So for what I'm going to be using this for, it's basically just a banner in the background of a YouTube page or a Facebook page or something. So for it to be in like a banner type of logo is not a bad thing at all. I'm not, again, actually trying to make a brand of a company. So this works for me, and it works pretty well. I want to see if I can change out that snowflake looking thing. But for most people, this is probably not the right format to come up with a logo. You probably want something more squared off or equally dimensioned, whereas mine, the rectangle doesn't work great for a lot of uses with a logo. Okay, this is all, I'm not doing anything. This is all AI doing its own stuff. I don't know what it's doing. Taking over the world right now. So I can't scroll on here or anything. I don't know what it just did. But I still, oops, that's not my logo. This is, y'all see what's happening here? You can see where my finger is. Boom. Not what I just clicked. Have we lost my logo forever? Is it gone forever? How can I just see the ones that I hearted earlier? Okay, cool. So since that guy broke, we're just going to use buy. Didn't this say 100% free? I recorded it. I'm going to look at the video. So $96 a year, billed annually for something 100% free. Starting all over. Let's try a different one. Let's just Logo Master AI. This seems like my kind of thing. I'm going to go through this one a little faster since the last one ended in a paywall. It's fine for these guys to make money. I'm just not interested in really building a brand right now. I'm just trying to show what AI can and can't do. And I was not impressed with Luca. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Luca. I'm going to guess it's Luca. Let's try that again. Let's do this time, I guess, a product branding, even though I don't have or intend to ever have any products. So 3 that you like and they'll mimic the style. My thought is if I scroll fast, what catches my eye is what would catch other people's eyes. That's how I'm going to decide which ones I like. I'm not going to pick them apart. Campfire here. This is totally a YouTube play, isn't it? Right? Like, cheater. So there's my 3. And I know I should be more colorful, but I'm not. Oh, cool. So here is already better than Looka because I can kind of choose what I think is futuristic. So keyword is intelligent. Oh, baby, look at that. Is that not the most perfect symbol for artificial intelligence ever? Ooh, this one. This is it. This is it, right here. This is it. How much does it cost to buy the free logo maker? So you make the logo for free, but you don't get to actually use it for free. I'm gonna try one more. I'm going to use logo.com. We'll always accept your cookies. Let's make a logo. Great. It's got to be modern or quirky. Quirky. With icons. Sure, AI. Dude. It's like Pinocchio Man, but robotic. Oh, that looks like a creepy bug. Okay, we have one heart. You can't even see that intelligence. Show some intelligence. You would think artificial intelligence would use appropriate color theory. Being a colorblind person, color theory will never be an expert topic for me. But I also have some intelligence, and I know you can't just do whatever you want. Like, so at a bare minimum, I know that there's rules and regulations on what colors you can and can't use, like if you're building a website, for example. And those colors exist for like the American Disabilities Act, the ADA, or it's something like that. But anyway, there's different color combinations you cannot put together on a website for the benefit of disabled people. People with intelligence would know that, research that, look that up. Artificial intelligence, in my opinion, should do the same. And the fact that it doesn't means if I were to hire somebody to make this logo, it would be done at the bare minimum properly from color theory. And I could tell them things like, hey, I really like this brain with the wires coming out. There we go. Just old black and white. All right, for the shape, everybody likes circles. That's why there's so many circles and not squares, so it did figure that part out. Some of these are interesting though, but if I'm gonna play a manipulation of a shape, I'm gonna play a manipulation of a circle instead of a manipulation of a square, because circles are more popular. This is kind of just simple and easy. I think we're gonna go with that guy. No reason to repeat the name 3 times in one logo. So we'll go with this guy. This is good enough. This is the site. So I'm gonna change my camera around a little bit and show you what it just gave me. Okay, so here in my downloads folder, I have the logo package that I just downloaded from the AI logo generator website. Okay, so let's check this out. We've got 4 different file types: EPS, which I'm not sure what it is, PDF, PNG, and SVG. SVG is going to be the one if you want to make like signs and stuff, or have a decal put on your car or something like that. That's what will be used. PNG is just a picture. PDF is a PDF, and I have no idea what EPS is. Somebody smarter than me and more business, who set up businesses, might know what that is, or a graphic designer or something, but I don't know. So I'm going to check out what it gave us. There are 4 different file types. It appears in all of these folders. We've got color and black, and then we've got removing the background and white. Because I can't open EPS, I don't know what it is, I'm going to open up the PDF version. Shrink that down just a little bit. And that is my black and white logo. The color logo. The no background logo. Doesn't make a difference, does it? And the black and white logo. That one I actually think looks the coolest. Might use that one. If I go to the PNGs, it's just a picture. So it's opening the Windows picture program. But it's the same 4 folder. That one looks different. It's because of the background of the program. Same 4 formats in all of these. And SVG is saying it's an HTML document. Sure, let's see what, kind of works. Okay, that's what it gave us. That's our first test of AI in the office, I guess. And if you check out the YouTube channel or the Facebook page, you will see this logo and its wonderful beauty. See ya.